Hello everybody, Ryan Mandley, American Financial Network, Dream Home Funder team, your favorite loan officer. Today I have an amazing story about a gentleman that's 75 years young that was able to right size with a home equity conversion mortgage for purchase and accomplish a lot of the goals, and I'll outline that below. So, 75 years young, he is living in a house that has a pool, a lot of maintenance in his yard, and is in need of a lot of repairs. So he's having to continue working in his part-time job just to maintain the property, just to be able to upkeep the repairs on the house, and just to be able to make the mortgage payment, and he's not living his best life or the life that he wants to be living. So he was able to get in touch with us. We scheduled a consult with our reverse mortgage team, and we were able to help him right size into a 2-bedroom single family residence where the HOA takes care of all the yard maintenance for him. So he doesn't have to worry about taking care of those yard repairs. And we're also able to help him alleviate his mortgage payment, so he has no mortgage payment. And he was able to put $40,000 into his retirement savings account to help fund his retirement, so he's able to quit his job and fully retire. So he is now in a much better position. He has accomplished all the goals that he's looking to, and he's able to fully retire. So if you know somebody that's 64 years of age and in a similar situation and wants to retire and live the life that they want, have them give me a call, 480-203-6263. Jump on my website, dreamhomefunder.com, and click on the reverse mortgage tab. Fill out that information, and me or my team will be in touch and schedule your free consultation. You can also always email me, ryan@dreamhomefunder.com. Again, call, text 480-203-6263. If you find this information useful, please share it with your friends and family, and I'll talk to you soon.